G'day folks, as you can see here I have the new Mavic Air 2 and I have the original Mavic Air. In today's video we're going to do a noise comparison test just to see how much quieter the new Mavic Air 2 is. As you can see here, the Mavic Air 2 is equipped with those propellers that do help cut back on noise, and that's probably one of the biggest complaints with the original Mavic Air, is that it was quite loud. Of course, range and battery life were also issues, but those have been addressed in the new updated version. So in this video I'm just going to go out, we're going to take a decibel meter and just kind of see what the difference is. Now just keep in mind this is not a very scientific test. There's a lot of variables that could affect the output. And when it comes to the noise that a drone makes when it's flying, it's not so much how loud it is, but more of the pitch. And that was the problem with the original Mavic Air, is that it had a really high pitch. It was really irritating, and a lot of people were not too happy with it. So with all that said, let's just jump right in and take a closer look. G'day folks, today we're going to do a sound comparison of the new Mavic 2 Air and the original Mavic Air. So we're just going to do a noise comparison test. I've got a decibel meter here, and we're just going to see how it is. The first test I'm going to do, I'm just going to have the drone a couple feet away. We'll see how loud it is, and then we'll maybe put it up in the air, maybe 20 feet. And do another test. And not only that, you'll be able to hear it on the microphone that it should be quite a bit quieter. So we got the Mavic Air hovering there, and let's take a quick reading, and hopefully you can read that. I'm about 2 feet away, and it's averaging between 69 and 70 when I'm not talking. Actually, yeah, it's floating around between 68 and 70. So let's put it up in the air, maybe 30 feet or 20 feet. I'll let you know once I get it up there. Okay, so I've got it 10 meters high and 4 meters out. I'm not quite sure what that translates into feet. Let's take a look at the meter here. So we've got about 52, 53 on the reader. So that's not too bad. It's actually very quiet. Quite impressed with it actually. So let's go ahead and we're going to bring it in, and we'll get the original Mavic Air up, and we'll see what it does. Okay, so I got the decibel meter out, and I'm not going to talk here for a minute just so we can get an accurate reading. I'll be about 2 feet away again. So it's floating around between 75 and 76. So yeah, so now let's put it up 10 meters and we will do another reading. So we got the original Mavic Air hovering about 10 meters above us, and you can see here, let me be quiet so we can get an accurate reading. So it's floating around between 58 and 59, so definitely quite a bit quieter. But the most important thing, it doesn't have that high-pitched whiny noise, squeal noise that the Mavic Air was famous for. So that is definitely a good thing. So let's go ahead and we'll bring it down here. Oh, a little bit off the pad there, but that's okay. So definitely quite a bit quieter and not as irritating. So as you could tell in that video, the Mavic Air 2 is much quieter than the original Mavic Air. For the most part, it just didn't have that really irritating high-pitched hum. Now, the noise a drone makes actually can be quite important. If you think about it, when you go to a park, say, to fly your drone, a lot of people already have such a negative opinion on drones. And, so when you go to a park, you don't want to draw too much attention to yourself. Say you're flying up overhead, people can hear it, and they start to get a little weird. So in that aspect, a quieter drone definitely doesn't draw as much attention to yourself, but it also prevents irritating people who might be around. Other people are there enjoying the park as well. They may not want to listen to some irritating buzzing going on over their head. So definitely a much needed improvement with the noise level with the Mavic Air 2. Anyways, folks, that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.